Grok 3 introduces a revolutionary feature: deep research agents. Unlike traditional AI that provides surface-level responses, this AI can conduct in-depth searches across multiple sources, compiling detailed reports with verified information. Grok 3, the latest AI from Elon Musk's XAI, is officially the smartest AI on Earth. It has doubled its predecessor's intelligence thanks to cutting-edge training on 200,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs at the Colossus data center. With its advanced reasoning ability, Grok 3 doesn't just answer questions, it thinks like a human, considering multiple possibilities before delivering the most accurate and reliable response. And soon, Grok 3 will support voice interactions in multiple languages, making AI more accessible to users worldwide. In other big news, Tesla is officially hiring in India. After years of speculation, Elon Musk is finally making moves to establish Tesla's presence in the world's fastest-growing EV market. For nearly a decade, Tesla has expressed interest in launching operations in India. Meanwhile, in Europe, Milan is leading the way with advanced semi-charger hubs. Tesla could take inspiration from these innovations as it expands. But Tesla isn't just expanding its infrastructure, it's also tackling theft. A new anti-theft device called Die Defender